I got 10 pairs of moisturizing socks. It feels so comfortable. My feet is always dry, and I'm so glad that I can get these socks, and they are so easy to use and very comfortable. They keep my feet dry, and I love the fact that it feels lightweight enough to sleep with. It doesn't get all sweaty, and I can also wear it around my house when I'm running errands. This adds moisture to my feet, and it can be used as an overnight, as you saw it, and it can also be used to keep my feet feeling comfortable. I love the fact that these socks are very durable, and I also love that when I take off the socks, my feet looks much better, looks more moisturized, and it gives me that more improved look for my feet, and especially my heel area.